following reports of a planned zero remittance week protest by some overseas Filipino workers or OFWs groups in response to the arrest of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, who faces charges of crimes against humanity. The government has reaffirmed its commitment to supporting OFWs. The palace reiterated that the government is acting in accordance with the law and expressed confidence that OFWs would assess the situation fairly. The palace further noted that a majority of OFWs are unlikely to participate in the protest, citing the potential impact on their families in the Philippines who depend on remittances for their daily needs.
Ang gobyerno po ay tumutulong sa OFWs, hindi po kinakalaban ang OFWs. Sabi nga po natin, hindi po natin sisikilin kung ano man ang maging kagustuhan ng mga OFW kung sila magpapahatid ng kanilang remittance o hindi. Huwag lamang po silang lalabag sa batas. Yun lamang po.